is Ayşenur Altan. We are making lokum, or as in English, Turkish delights. I will make rose flavored lokum and the one that is my favorite, lokum with hazelnuts. I have 300 milliliter water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 700 grams granulated sugar. When I scaled, mine was 3.5 cups. So I added the water and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, stirred gently until sugar dissolves and begin to cook. After 15 minutes, I checked my syrup with kitchen thermometer and it was 105 degrees. Don't worry if you don't have, I'm gonna tell you how to check the right consistency without it. Right now it's 109 degrees. I'm gonna check by dropping into some cold water. We are looking for soft ball stage, which means when you drop some of the syrup to the cold water, it should come together. And when I check it, it doesn't come yet. I saw 14 and turned off the heat. Please note that depending on how high your flame is, the time can change. It can be less or more. The important thing is to check the consistency. Yes, it does come together. Later I thought it could be a bit more harder, but since I checked with the thermometer, I turned off the heat. So after I turned off my syrup, in another bigger bowl I am gonna add 100 grams wheat starch. You can use corn too, and it is a bit less than 1 cup. Adding 600 milliliter water, teaspoon of cream of tartar. I'm gonna stir until everything combines and continue to stir and begin to cook. After the mixture thickened, I poured the syrup little by little while stirring continuously, and continue to do the same until I poured all the syrup to the mixture. Also changed my spoon to a bigger one so I can stir more easily. It's been 5 minutes already since we began to cook everything together, and I set the timer for 40 more minutes and continue to cook and stir. It's been 35 minutes and it is now at this stage. A little bit yellow in color. We continue for 10 more minutes. I have this baking paper. I want to make it in 2 flavors, so I got this idea. I'm gonna use this to stand. Just folded some aluminum foil. Place it to the middle. Brushing so it doesn't stick. A little bit to the bottom so the papers can hold. And my stand is ready. Okay, here we go. It's been 45 minutes and we have nice lokum ready to be flavored and shaped. Bismillah. Going to add the hazelnut. Just gonna get everything. It wasn't easy to mix the hazelnuts after I poured the lokum. A bit more. And for the rest of the lokum mixture, I flavored it with frozen rose petals that I have to make rose jam and natural rose water. If you want, you can drop some red coloring to make pink rose flavored Turkish delights. Before cutting my Turkish delights, I let it rest in the fridge for 3 hours. You can do it overnight, it's better. And here I'm mixing about half cup powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon starch and going to turn my lokum over the sifted mixture. I easily cut from the half the baking paper I used and was able to take it out easily. Make sure to oil nicely from the sides, it was sticking a little bit. Other than that, it's easy to take out the paper. Generously sift from the mixture and we are ready to cut. I used my kitchen scissor for it. You can do it with knife, but scissor works better. After cutting all of them, I sprinkled more from the mixture and toss a little bit so it is covered all the way. So my friends, I'm happy with the result. It is not that hard to make, except the stirring for 45 minutes on stove top. Kind of softer than the ones in store-bought. The way I like it is softer. The only suggestion I can make is it was hard to separate the lokum mixture after it is done because it's a hard mixture and cools down quickly. So if you want to make only with hazelnuts or use rose petal and rose flavors and then pour it to the tray. Make one flavor at a time. But still, it's not a big deal. We are not going to sell it, making it as a professional, just to enjoy at home, so you can still then mix it with the different nuts and flavors. So give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give thumbs up and see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.